you're over 40, you've made some great YouTube videos, but no one's finding them. No views, no clicks, crickets. That's because on YouTube, great content means nothing if the algorithm doesn't know who to show it to. But don't worry, we're fixing that today, and we're doing it with help from none other than Prince Akeem of Zamunda. Because if coming to America taught us anything, it's this. To be discovered, you have to learn the rules of the land. Coming up in this video, what YouTube SEO actually means in plain English, how to help the algorithm understand who you are, and how to attract the right audience using the tools you already have. Because just like Akeem found love by being real and learning the culture, you'll find your audience by showing up with clarity and knowing how to make your content search friendly. When Akeem first got to Queens, he tried to act casual, blend in, but he didn't understand how the world around him actually worked. Same with YouTube. If you upload a great video, but the algorithm doesn't understand who it's for, it's like shouting into the void. No one hears you. And that's where YouTube SEO comes in. SEO equals search engine optimization. Basically, it's how you train the algorithm to say, oh, this video is perfect for this type of viewer. The better you get at SEO, the more you start appearing in search, recommended videos, and browse feeds. Think of it like Akeem learning how to mop floors and fold napkins. He was learning how life as a working person who lived in Queens worked. And that opened the door to real connection. Here's the thing about YouTube SEO. Most new creators think it's all about gaming the system, cramming in keywords, copying big channels, or obsessing over the perfect title formula. But here's the truth. SEO isn't about chasing the search engine. It's about helping the right person find you faster. And when you're over 40 with a full plate, you don't have hours to waste on keyword spreadsheets and clickbait experiments. What you do have is experience, and that experience can be translated into the exact words your audience is searching for. Action step 1, the search bar shortcut. This week, I want you to do this. It'll take you 10 minutes tops. 1. Go to YouTube's search bar. Type in a phrase related to your video idea. Example, if your topic is meal prep for beginners, type that in slowly. 2. Watch the suggestions appear under the search bar. These are real searches people are typing right now. 3. Pick one suggestion and make it the backbone of your title. If the suggestion says meal prep for beginners on a budget, your video could be called Meal Prep for Beginners on a Budget, Easy Step by Step. 4. Sprinkle that exact phrase in your title, your description, naturally, not spammy, and once or twice in your spoken script. Why? Because YouTube's telling you exactly what people are looking for. And when you speak their language, you help the algorithm connect you to them. You don't need to become an SEO expert. You just need to get good at listening to the platform. Think of your strategic approach to SEO as you laying down a breadcrumb trail for YouTube to follow. It finds your video and then knows how and why to send viewers, the right viewers no less, back to your video. And the fastest way to do that? Start with the search bar. Start with their words, the words of your ideal content consumer who's searching for a video just like yours, made for people just like them. Then build with your experience. That's how you go from hidden in the results to showing up when it matters. Let's break down 3 beginner SEO strategies that help the YouTube algorithms find you faster. 1. Start with searchable titles, aka speak the language of queens. For example, don't title your video, "Watch this before it's too late." Instead, do title your video, "Beginner YouTube SEO Tips for Creators Over 40." Clarity is better. Clarity is greater or more important than cleverness. 2. Write descriptions that use natural keywords, aka tell the algorithm what you're about. Use the exact phrases your audience is searching for. Repeat your topic in the first 2 lines. Include relevant words like, for example, YouTube tips for beginners, or get more views on YouTube. So, think like Akeem when he was learning his job skills. Start simple, get specific, repeat key terms. 3. Say keywords in your video, aka let the algorithm hear you. YouTube listens, literally. So, say the words you want to rank out loud for in your video, like, "Today we're covering how to show up in YouTube search as a creator over 40. The more consistent your signals, the smarter the algorithm gets, and the faster you get discovered by the right people. Because look, here's the truth about YouTube SEO. It's not about beating the search results. It's about earning your place in them by being the most relevant, most watchable option for the person who's already looking for what you have. And when you understand that, you stop making videos for everyone and start making videos that actually get found by someone specific. Action step 2, the title, thumbnail, topic, trio. This is the fastest way to apply SEO and build consistency without burning out as a beginner. Before you film your next video, step 1, pick one keyword phrase you can win. Use the search bar shortcut we talked about earlier. Choose a phrase that's specific, not just fitness, that's way too broad, but fitness for beginners over 40 at home. Much more specific. Your YouTube SEO should really take into account my content trifecta principle, baking into the words you use in your titles, thumbnails, YouTube tags, keywords in your description, and the keywords that you're speaking for YouTube to hear. Breadcrumbs relating specifically as to who the video is for, what the video is about, why they want to watch the video, and how they benefit. What's the benefit they're going to extract? How it relates directly back to that who, the viewer, once more. In the center of the content trifecta is the audience you'll be creating that content for. YouTube knows to start there when it's working its algorithmic magic, finding the audience best suited for that particular piece of content. YouTube won't get lost trying to find your audience. So, step 2, build your title around that phrase. Keep it natural, like a promise, not a string of keywords. Example, fitness for beginners over 40 at home, no gym needed. Step 3, make a thumbnail that shows the outcome. Your thumbnail should make them feel the result they want. If the phrase is easy, healthy recipes, show the finished dish, not a cluttered kitchen. Now, here's the magic. When you repeat this trio, keyword, title, thumbnail, week after week, you're not just optimizing for search. You're training the algorithm to recognize exactly who to send your videos to. This is where creator consistency gets powerful, because once you have a repeatable SEO habit, you stop guessing and start growing, because YouTube doesn't have to guess. It knows who to go to as it attempts to find an audience for you. Your audience finds you faster, your videos show up for the right people, and your channel stops feeling invisible. not just making videos anymore. You're making discoverable videos on purpose. Here's the royal secret most people miss. SEO isn't about gaming the system, it's about building trust. When you make your video clear, your title helpful, and your message real, YouTube wants to push your content forward. It's looking for creators who show up consistently and help their audience. You don't need to trick the algorithm. You just need to teach it who you are and then prove it. Let your story, your tone, your experience shine, because you're not starting too late. You're just showing up at the perfect time for you. Here's what almost no one talks about when it comes to YouTube SEO. Your secret weapon isn't keywords, it's connection. Because when someone finds your video in search and feels like you're talking directly to them, like you get their problem, their personality, and their pace, they don't just click, they stick, they watch, they come back. And that is the signal YouTube loves most. So if you're busy juggling work and life and don't have time for an hour-long keyword research session, let me give you the shortcut. Bonus action step, the audience echo. Once you picked your keyword phrase, do this before you hit record. 1. Picture one real person who needs this exact video. It could be a friend, coworker, or someone in your family. Someone you could help if they asked you this question over coffee. 2. Say their problem out loud in your first 10 seconds. If your keyword is easy home workouts for beginners over 40, your opening line could be, if you're over 40 and tired of workout advice that feels like it's for 20-year-olds, this is for you. 3. Work their exact language into your title and description, not just a keyword. That's what makes your content feel found instead of just optimized. When you do this, you're not just showing up in search results, you're showing up as the answer your audience has been hoping for. See, SEO isn't about chasing clicks, it's about being the most relevant, relatable result for the person who's already looking for you. You don't have to master every SEO trick. You just have to master speaking to the right person in the right words at the right time. Start there, and you won't just appear in search, you'll matter in search. Prince Akeem didn't have a clue how queens worked at first, but he adapted, he learned, he served, and in doing so, he was seen, loved, and chosen. YouTube is the same. To be discovered, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to learn how to show up clearly and consistently. Use keywords, speak directly to your viewer, help YouTube help you. And remember, no one can stop destiny, but you can help it find your channel. Like this video if it helped demystify the algorithms for you and SEO. Subscribe for more Gen X powered creator guidance. This is where retro soul meets modern strategy. And comment below, what SEO mistake are you ready to stop making? But wait, if you need to stop shrinking in fear as a newbie creator so that you can start building your YouTube empire with Scarface level confidence, well, say hello to my little friend, Retro Renegade. Let Tony Montana and I take you through the #1 mind shift you need to succeed as a creator over 40.